The sun. A massive ball of nuclear fusion, providing light, heat, and life itself. But what if one day, it disappeared? What if the sun collapsed into a black hole? Would Earth be swallowed instantly? Would we freeze in darkness? And could humanity survive in a solar system ruled by a black hole? First, let's get one thing straight. The sun isn't big enough to become a black hole. Only stars at least 3 times the mass of the sun can collapse that way. Our sun will eventually expand into a red giant and then shrink into a white dwarf. But let's imagine a universe where it does turn into a black hole. What happens next? If the sun somehow collapsed into a black hole, would Earth get sucked in immediately? Surprisingly, no. A black hole with the same mass as the sun would have the same gravitational pull, so Earth wouldn't spiral in, it would continue orbiting as usual. But there's one huge problem. The sun would stop shining, and without sunlight, life on Earth wouldn't last long. Within hours, temperatures would start to drop. Within days, photosynthesis would stop, plants would die. Soon, the food chain would collapse. Within a year, Earth's surface would be minus 73 degrees Celsius, too cold for humans to survive. The oceans would freeze solid, except for the deep sea, which might stay liquid for thousands of years. If humanity had time to prepare, we might survive underground using geothermal energy for heat and artificial lights for farming. Another option? Leaving Earth entirely. We could colonize moons like Europa, where subsurface oceans might support life. The rest of the solar system would continue orbiting until something disturbs the balance. With no solar wind, planets would lose their atmospheres. Radiation would strip away gases, leaving Mars, Venus, and even Earth as barren wastelands. Could humanity escape? Maybe. With fusion energy and generation ships, we could seek a new star system. Perhaps one day we'd find a new sun, a second chance for life. What do you think? Could we escape a black hole sun? Or is this the end of life as we know it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing questions right here on What If.